Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today we'll transform your balcony into a verdant sanctuary. Imagine stepping out onto your balcony, a cup of tea in hand, greeted by the gentle fragrance of herbs and vibrant hues of blooming flowers. We'll explore the best plants for small spaces, those that will thrive in containers and bring you peace and connection with nature. Herbs elevate our culinary creations, adding layers of flavor and aroma that can transform a simple dish into something extraordinary. They bring freshness to our homes, creating a vibrant and aromatic atmosphere that can be both soothing and invigorating. Many herbs thrive in containers, making them ideal for balcony gardens. Whether you have a small space or a large one, you can grow a variety of herbs. Imagine plucking basil leaves for a caprese salad, the fresh aroma filling the air as you prepare your meal. Or mint for a refreshing iced tea, perfect for a hot summer day. The possibilities are endless. Basil, with its sweet, slightly peppery flavor, is a must-have for any Italian food enthusiast. It pairs wonderfully with tomatoes, mozzarella, and olive oil. Mint, known for its cooling sensation, is perfect for teas, cocktails, and desserts. Its refreshing taste can elevate any drink or dish. And rosemary, with its robust, earthy flavor, is a staple in Mediterranean cuisine. It pairs well with roasted meats, potatoes, and bread. Choose pots with good drainage and provide your herbs with plenty of sunshine, at least 6 hours a day. Regular watering and occasional feeding will keep them thriving. Petunias add a splash of vibrant color to your balcony garden, instantly lifting the mood and creating a cheerful atmosphere. These cheerful blooms come in a kaleidoscope of colors, from soft pastels to bold hues, making them a versatile choice for any garden design. Imagine a cascade of pink, purple and white petunias tumbling over your balcony railing, creating a stunning visual display that will catch everyone's eye. Or envision bright red and yellow petunias attracting butterflies and hummingbirds, adding a touch of nature's magic to your outdoor space. Petunias bloom profusely throughout the season, from spring to fall, ensuring your balcony remains vibrant and lively for months on end. Choose a location with at least 6 hours of sunlight per day to ensure your petunias thrive and produce abundant flowers. Water them regularly and fertilize every few weeks to promote abundant blooms. With proper care, your petunias will reward you with a spectacular floral display. Reaching new heights, climbing plants for vertical gardens. In a small space like a balcony, maximize every inch with climbing plants. Imagine English ivy cascading down a wall, creating timeless elegance, or star jasmine twining around a trellis, filling the air with its sweet fragrance. Climbing plants add visual interest and provide a sense of privacy. They can act as natural screens, creating a cozy, intimate atmosphere. Consider the amount of sunlight your balcony receives when selecting climbing plants. Low-maintenance, elegant succulents for modern balconies. Succulents, with their sculptural forms, add a touch of modern elegance. Imagine a collection of echeverias, their rosette-shaped leaves resembling delicate flowers, or a grouping of haworthias, their plump leaves dotted with intricate patterns. Succulents thrive on neglect, storing water in their leaves, stems, and roots. Use a well-draining soil mix and terracotta pots to prevent root rot. Place your succulents in a spot with at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. A sweet reward: strawberries for beauty and bounty. Strawberries, with their delicate white blossoms and juicy red fruits, offer beauty and bounty. These versatile plants can be grown in various settings, adding a touch of charm to any garden or balcony. Growing strawberries in containers is surprisingly easy. Whether you have a spacious garden or a small balcony, you can enjoy fresh strawberries right at your fingertips. Choose a sunny spot with at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. This ensures that your strawberries get the energy they need to produce sweet, juicy fruits. Opt for hanging baskets or tiered planters to maximize space. These methods not only save space, but also make harvesting easier. Water them regularly, especially during fruiting season, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. Consistent watering is key to healthy plants and abundant harvests. With proper care, you'll soon be rewarded with an abundance of delicious, homegrown strawberries. Enjoy the satisfaction of picking fresh, ripe strawberries and savoring their sweet flavor. Thank you for joining me on this journey to transform your balcony into a green oasis. Even the smallest spaces can become havens of peace and tranquility with the right plants. May your balcony garden bring you joy, a sense of connection with nature, and the satisfaction of creating a beautiful and thriving space. Happy gardening.